Hey, didn't think I would be back so soon. I have some more videos for you. This dog is deaf and thinks it is barking.
Yeah, get my attention. Yeah, get attention. Good boy. Yeah, Gertie.
This dog is deaf and blind but still knows when its owner is coming home.
She knows. Look at that smeller work. Huh? Oh. You know I'm here. Hi, baby. Oh, she's been...
This cat isn't scared to swim.
There he goes.
Man gets ganged up on by cute kittens.
I know this cat is not about to do this.
They have this cat practice climbing this rope just in case it falls off the boat. A huge condor visits a man that saved it when it was young. That's all the videos I have for today. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share if you enjoyed this as much as I have. If you have any videos of your own that you would like to be featured, please send them to the email in the description. That's all I have for now. I'll be off looking for more videos to share with you. Until next time, bye.